dumpster rental service in Texas. At Purple Cow Dumpsters, we understand that waste removal is essential to any project. Whether cleaning out your garage, tackling a renovation, or managing a construction site, having a reliable dumpster rental service in Texas is all the difference. We provide roll-off dumpsters in various sizes to fit your specific needs. No more worrying about debris piling up. We'll deliver and pick up the dumpster on schedule, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Our team takes pride in offering affordable pricing with no hidden fees, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Purple Cow Dumpsters is committed to eco-friendly waste disposal. We ensure that as much waste as possible is properly disposed of and disposed of in an environmentally responsible way. When you choose us, you choose a company that cares about the community. Renting a dumpster shouldn't be complicated, and with us, it's not. Our friendly team is here to answer any questions and guide you through the rental process. Whether cleaning out your home, completing a construction project, or remodeling your business, our dumpster rental service is designed to simplify waste disposal. Call us now at 830-730-3305 and let Purple Cow Dumpsters handle the mess while you focus on your project. Experience top-tier customer service and reliable dumpster rentals today.